Well, kaya pinakita ko yung sulat ko imbis na yung mukha ko. Kasi ang vlog natin ngayon is paleography at saka epigraphy. So yung paleography is study of ancient writings, historical writing systems, hieroglyphics, yung mga Sumerian writings na yan, yung alibata, kung sa ating mga Pilipino yan mga historical writing systems yan. Paleography. Yung epigraphy naman is the study of epigraphs or inscriptions. Usually in Latin, Greek, and Aramaic. Diba? Yung mga biblical texts. Yan, epigraphy, yung titulus ni Lord dun sa kanyang cross. That is an example of epigraph o epigraphy. Kasi yung titulus is written in three languages. Aramaic, yung language mismo ni Lord. Yung Greek and Aramaic, Greek, and Latin. Diba? So, yun. So, kaya yan ang iblinag natin ngayon kasi writing system. So, makikita nyo yung sulat ko, parang historical yan, hindi mabasa. So, yun lang pa.